Hey everyone, welcome back to the Camp Nou. This is your weekly technical update on the ongoing transformation. And this week, major changes are unfolding across the stadium. The first decorative ceramic lamellas are appearing on the mobility cores. The playing surface is undergoing a complete transformation. The VIP ring is rapidly approaching completion, and the massive compression ring continues to rise. With so much progress unfolding at once, this is one update you definitely don't want to miss. Inside the stadium, work remains fully focused on preparing the future playing surface. Specialized machinery continues processing the existing pitch by removing the upper layer and screening the soil to create the proper foundation for the new natural grass system. Excavators remain active throughout the field, transporting excavated material while crews carefully level and prepare the surface for the next phase of installation. These operations are a critical part of building a high-performance playing surface, ensuring proper drainage, stability, and long-term durability before the new natural grass is finally installed. The Tribuna seating area continues moving through its finishing phase with visible progress across multiple sections. Workers are carrying out cleaning, surface preparation, and final detailing, while several stairways have now received their yellow safety markings. Additional finishing work is also taking place around the seating platforms, ensuring the area is fully prepared before the installation of the new seats begins. Every day, the Tribuna is looking more complete and closer to its final appearance. The VIP ring has now reached an advanced stage of construction. Most of the glass curtain wall has already been installed, leaving only a handful of sections still awaiting completion. Behind the glass facade, crews continue working on the interior fit-out, including hospitality areas and premium lounges. With both exterior glazing and interior finishing progressing together, the VIP ring is rapidly transforming into one of the most complete areas of the new camp. One of the biggest developments of the day is finally taking shape. At the south goal lateral mobility core, workers have begun installing the first decorative ceramic lamellas, giving us the first real look at the future appearance of this section. The finish already looks impressive, and once the remaining sections are enclosed with sandwich panels, the full impact will become even clearer. For now, this marks a major milestone. The first mobility core in the entire stadium to receive its decorative ceramic finish. LED lighting installation continues along the completed louver sections in the lateral area. The lighting fixtures positioned above the ceramic louvers will create the final illuminated appearance of the stadium facade during night events. Workers are continuing technical adjustments around these areas, while additional lighting sections will be installed as more louver panels are completed. This system will become one of the most noticeable exterior features of the renovated stadium. Installation of sandwich panels continues on the second level with most of the upper section already covered. The remaining unfinished areas are being completed using lifting equipment positioned around the structure. These panels are gradually closing the exterior sections and improving the overall appearance of the facade. Work continues steadily as crews move toward completing this level. The compression ring continues making impressive progress around Spotify Camp Nou, with another massive support pillar successfully installed in the north goal. This newly positioned pillar extends the roof support structure and prepares the area for the installation of the next radial beam, followed by additional steel box sections. Crews are following a well-coordinated installation sequence, allowing each new structural element to be completed efficiently before moving to the next phase. The pace of work remains consistent, and the project continues to stay on track as this iconic roof structure gradually takes its final shape. Work has entered another important phase in the third tier as the first permanent stadium lighting units have now arrived on site. Lighting equipment and installation materials are being positioned across the upper level, allowing crews to begin preparing the stadium's future floodlighting system. This marks another visible transition from heavy structural construction to the installation of permanent stadium infrastructure. construction teams remain active across multiple sections, ensuring that lighting installation progresses alongside the remaining structural work. Moving to the South Diamond, the diamond-shaped concrete structure has advanced significantly. Formwork panels are now being removed after the recent concrete pour, revealing the completed structural elements underneath. With this phase finished, crews will soon move on to reinforcing the next structural sections before preparing for additional concrete work. The North Gal Mobility Core is steadily moving closer to facade installation. Painting and finishing work on the steel structure continues while workers prepare the exterior framework that will eventually support the sandwich panels. Once these preparations are completed, installation of the exterior enclosure is expected to begin, bringing this mobility core in line with the progress already seen at the south goal. Ceramic facade installation continues to advance in the north corner. Workers are adding more lamellas beneath the cantilever roof, gradually extending the finished facade across the false ceiling area. Cranes continuously lift new lamella into position, while installation crews secure each piece with precision. Although the current section is progressing well, adjacent support structures still require additional anchor installations before lamella work can continue into the next areas. The mobility core in the north corner is also showing steady progress. Steel framework throughout the structure has now received its protective coating, giving the entire section a finished appearance. With the painting work largely completed, attention is expected to shift toward installing sandwich panels and continuing the exterior enclosure of the structure. One of today's biggest milestones comes from the sideline diamond structures, which have now reached nearly 70% overall completion. This represents significant progress across all 3 diamond buildings located along the sideline. Months of foundation work, reinforced concrete construction, structural formwork, block wall installation, and interior preparation have brought the project to this important stage. Reaching almost 70% completion clearly shows that the largest portion of structural construction is now behind the crews. The Tribune area is beginning to look busier than ever, and the next major phase is already taking shape. A huge amount of construction material is visible, including formwork supports, steel boxes, pillars, and radial beams. The superstructure is also approaching its next step, with anchor installation expected to begin soon. Some sections are still receiving treatment and repainting, but work continues across the surrounding mobility cores, where ventilation ducts, galvanized pipes, and sandwich panels are still being installed. Another striking change has appeared at the diamond structure. After showing a noticeably different color in the previous update, both the side and front sections have now received a fresh rendered finish. Inside, work is still continuing, with activity clearly audible from the structure. This is also one of the few remaining areas around the stadium where ground-level finishing work is still pending. The transformation of Camp Nou is moving faster than ever, with every new week revealing another piece of the future stadium. From the new playing surface and the advancing facade to the VIP areas and the massive roof structure, more and more of the final vision is beginning to emerge. But with so many major areas progressing at the same time, one question remains. How different will Camp Nou look by the time the next major milestone arrives? And what will be the next big change waiting for us in the stadium?